35 to 45 years ago, I worked full-time in construction with my father, and we did a lot of jobs for some older clients here in Cumberland County. And one of the things that the women always wanted to do, they wanted to replace their floors with a maintenance-free product. We ended up switching out some beautiful handmade linoleums for products that were nowhere nearly as beautiful. Over the years, I've regretted that and thought about it. That's one of the reasons why we decided to begin our own flooring project. And 10 years ago, we introduced vintage vinyl. And I'm so happy to announce that today we're introducing another product called rolled goods. This is a wall-to-wall flooring product that I think will bring even more beauty to homes than what we originally replaced. It took about 7 years to figure out how to make this product. Come with me, I'd like to show you something.